Yo, what's good? Got another trade recap today. Took a loss. Today was CPI in the what am I trying to say? In the New York session. But I took a trade in London, so that's not the trade I took. This is the trade I kind of wish I took. This would have been an ideal trade to take as well, but didn't take that. Instead, I took the losing one, which kind of sucks. But anyways, I'll just go over what I saw in both of them. And then also kind of what I've been going through mentally right now, like what I'm thinking about and shit like that. So 4 hour was bullish, 1 hour was bearish with this break of structure to the downside. So had 30-minute lows, 30-minute highs from Asian session, and then New York lows and New York highs. So price open right below. Price open like right up, like in the middle of Asian high and Asian low. I was looking for longs. And yeah, so price open here. I was either looking for entrance into tap into here and then move up, but we pushed into here and closed above, pushed in, and then made a move up. Entered off a break of structure and a or a fair value gap right here, closed below and closed above with the break of structure to the upside on the 1 minute. Had take profits up here somewhere, and I went to sleep and got stopped out. I originally risked 50% because like 0.5% because it was news, and then I closed half of that at like break even, so it was just a 0.25% risk trade today. So emotions, I was getting really uncomfortable being in drawdown. I feel like I was just too attached to the trade again. Like I was getting sad if it was in drawdown, and I was getting happy if it was in um like in profit. And then even after putting my phone away trying to go to sleep, I would be dreaming about I was like dreaming about, I would have like certain like crazy thinking in my brain about this trade. So yeah, that's something I definitely need to work on, my attachment to these trades. And another thing is, I shouldn't be looking to take longs if we started below here and then we're pushing up and then moving down. Should only be looking for longs if we go into here. And if I were to take a long with this, I would see like price come here and then go down and then move up instead of going in up here, coming back in and then going up, because that's basically a liquidity sweep. I'm just trading like against the thing, and that's like, I don't know why I didn't register that in my brain earlier, but I guess that's just what happened. So then on this one, on GJ, this is much better setup, much better everything. 4 hour was bullish. 1 hour was also bullish. This was like a perfect forex strategy trade. It's just I didn't see a confluence to go off of on this one. So yeah, 1 hour was bullish. 30-minute Asian highs and Asian lows right here. So price opened right above, like above Asian highs. Came back down into the rectangle and then broke structure to the upside with this candle up here. However, there wasn't really any entry point to enter off of with this break of structure. That's mainly why I didn't enter on this one. And I had just entered in the EU trade as well. So yeah, still looking, there was nothing really I could have entered off of. Potentially like after the break of structure, there wasn't really anything to enter off unless it was like this inverse fair value gap potential entry off of that. But the risk reward to the first take profit was kind of bad, so maybe I could have just kept TP1 right here, and that would have gotten hit. But I didn't really see this take profit as something that could be taken out, because I was expecting quite a bit of low volume because of CPI, and this take profit would have been even hit during New York session instead of London session. So yeah, like we tapped into this little breaker block, and then but this would have been before the break of structure to the upside. So but this is what taking a long off of a high would be like. Price opens above the London high and then comes back into here and then moves up, instead of price opening here, coming up here, coming down here, and then trying to take a long off that. It would have been ideal to just look for shorts even off of that. So don't take trades off of that. I just paid for that lesson again, I guess. I think that's something I could learn, but it just logically makes sense now that I properly understand liquidity and everything. But yeah, so I lost like 2.8% on that. yeah, 2.7 cuts with like commission and everything with that. Um, so yeah, I'm right now down 2.78%, I think 2.79, 2.8, something like that. Um, Not like the worst, I would say, but you know, yeah, that just makes me on like emotions and stuff. Like, bro, I'm just jumping over the place. My brain is not working. So I definitely think I'm gonna stop trading London session. It's just messing up with my brain too much. Uh, like the reason why I say this is like my body is thrown off. Like, well, I'm not sleeping properly. I'm not functioning properly. I don't think I'm even trading properly. I don't know why I decided to start trading London session, and I think it was actually because like just journaling about it, just thinking about it, it was like it's triggered by like wanting to pass this funded account as quickly as possible. So I'm like deviating from the things that I know work for me, and I'm trying to do things differently. I was even tempted to start trading Nasdaq and S&P, and I don't even trade that stuff, bro. I just gotta be just like wait for the ideal setups. Like the reason I even started looking at like the old strategy I was looking at was because I didn't find any proper forex entries off of the highs and lows during New York session. I just gotta have confidence that they'll show up eventually, even if that entails trading like once or twice per week. And I shouldn't be trying to. I should just be looking for the ideal setups, ideal trading positions. And if something is just off, just don't look for a trade off of that. So yeah, that's just triggered off of being impatient. I'm pretty sure. I don't know. I'd have to just work on that for myself. So yeah. Tomorrow's the PPI. I'm not gonna trade during the session tonight. I'm just gonna um. But I don't even know. I'll probably wake up early tomorrow, get back into the regular routine of things, and then get back to market on next week. So yeah, it's not that bad of news next week either. Wednesday's a bank holiday, but um yeah. But I don't know. I'm definitely stuck. My brain is like not functioning properly. So I'm just yapping that. Yeah, I'm just see you, man. Goodbye.